Descriptive key. This is the true map of the flat stationary Earth by a Syrian-American professor, John G. Abizaid. I have published this map to reveal the true posture of the Earth. First, to help the people in recognition of the fact that the Earth is flat and does not move. Second, so that the young people in schools and in higher positions may have the benefit of the truth. There are many proofs that the subject is true, as you will be sure to find in my book, The Enlightenment of the World. The theory of the round and floating Earth is false, and you should not believe in it. As long as you yourself can see and feel that the Earth is a plane object and is standing still, and you will see that the sun, moon and stars are daily in motion. They arrive every day from the east to the west. The sun's light progresses from the south, advancing to the north, and returns in 1 year. On account of the moving of the sun from the south to the north and return, we get the 4 seasons, namely, spring, summer, autumn and winter. The surface of the Earth is divided into 5 zones. First, the north center, which is dark for 6 months and is lighted for 6 months. Sometime in the future there will be some explorer who will cross it. Second, the North Temperate Zone is the most desirable to live in. The most industrious and the most powerful nations inhabit this zone. Third, the Tornado Zone, tropics, is hot daily as the sun is over it always. The sun's body does not move out of this zone to a very great extent. Fourth, the South Temperate Zone has about the same climate as the North Temperate Zone. Fifth, the South Circle is dark and icy like the North Center, but no one can ever cross this circle as it is the edge of the Earth and is dangerous to life. The South Circle is the largest of the 5 zones. Also, the nights are longer when the sun is moving near the South Circle. But when the sun moves near the North Center, the night is about 8 hours in the North Temperate Zone, and the North Center is lighted for 6 months. This is a proof that the North is not like the South in shape, neither the South like the North. If the Earth was round, as some people imagine, the shape of the North Pole and the South Pole would be exactly the same. Then the North Pole and also the South Pole would have 6 months of darkness and 6 months of light. Also, the sun takes more time to move around from east to west near the South Circle. Take a journey around the South Circle and another around the North Center, and you will find it a much shorter distance around the North Center, which proves that the North and the South are not the same shape as people claim. After you have studied the truth of my work, you will know I am right. If anyone desires more explanation, I will be pleased to give it. John G. Abizaid, 3 Malden Street, Boston, Mass. A natural proof by the water. Suppose you put 5 steamers on the ocean as it is done here at an equal distance from each other as far as I can reach, and from it measure the surface of the water from and to every point, you will find the same measurements. By this you will know that the surface of the water is